Crypto is just a fad. It's too risky. It won't last. We've heard all of that before, haven't we? But here's the thing. What if everything you've been told about crypto being risky is designed to keep you out? What if the real danger is not investing in crypto and DeFi, but in missing out on its explosive growth? Because while the media is busy painting crypto as dangerous, billionaires like Elon Musk, companies like BlackRock, and even governments are stacking Bitcoin and jumping headfirst into decentralized finance, or DeFi for short. And in the next 5 minutes, I'm going to show you why decentralized finance is inevitable, how it's set to dominate the financial system, and why ignoring it could be the costliest mistake of your financial future. Look, I don't usually make promises, but I can promise you this. By the end of this video, you'll understand why all of the smart money is pouring into DeFi, and why you'll want to get in on this massive shift before it's too late. Hey friends, it's the DeFi Doctor here. I'm the head of education at Decentralized Masters, the world's leading DeFi education platform. We've helped over 3,000 investors with a combined net worth of over $4 billion navigate the complexities of this space. And we're on the cutting edge of financial trends reshaping the future. And one thing is clear, DeFi is not a fad. Here's what we're diving into today. The shocking truth behind crypto's risky reputation. Why the media is painting DeFi as a danger, while billionaire companies like Tesla, Square, and even the US government are stacking crypto faster than ever. How a quiet, behind-the-scenes movement in DeFi is reshaping the future of finance, while 99.8% of people are completely missing it. How DeFi investors are seeing monthly returns of 10, 20, or even 30% instead of the measly 0.43% your bank is offering you, and why this window of opportunity could slam shut as adoption skyrockets, and so much more. Now, before we dive into all of that, I need to quickly address one of the biggest myths about crypto, a myth that could be holding investors back from tapping into crypto and DeFi and seeing the explosive growth it brings. Crypto is unsafe. Sure it is, my friend. But what if I told you that the very technology behind crypto, blockchain technology, is actually one of the safest, most secure financial systems ever created? Here's why. Blockchain is decentralized. That means unlike traditional finance, where a single bank or institution holds all the control, crypto operates on a network of thousands of computers worldwide. No single point of failure, no single institution to attack. And I know what you're thinking, what about all those crypto hacks we hear about? Well, the blockchain itself has never been hacked. What you're hearing about are vulnerabilities in certain platforms or user error. Compare that to traditional finance, where global credit card fraud alone hit over $28 billion in 2021. Meanwhile, in crypto, only 0.15% of all transactions are linked to crime. So where's the real risk? Billion-dollar companies like Tesla, Square, and even the US government are accumulating crypto, and they're accumulating it fast. By the way, that US government, who's the largest geopolitical holder of Bitcoin, that's the same US government that's been telling you to keep your money at the bank and get the measly 1% return on your investments, if you're lucky. Let that sink in. Would they risk billions if this technology wasn't secure? Now, here's where it gets even more interesting, because it's not just about Bitcoin. The real financial revolution is happening in DeFi, and it's changing everything. Look, DeFi isn't just some buzzword. It's a seismic shift in the financial system. Let's talk numbers. In traditional finance, if you're lucky, your savings account gives you around 0.43% interest annually. But in DeFi, investors can see 10, 20, 30% or even higher returns on their investments. And in the next few minutes, I'll show you the next steps of how you could potentially start seeing these returns on your capital. As of 2023, there are over 420 million people involved in crypto. This global adoption isn't slowing down. Actually, it's accelerating. Real-world asset tokenization is booming. Trillions of dollars are flowing into DeFi as traditional assets like real estate and bonds are being brought into the blockchain. This isn't just an experiment. This is quickly becoming the backbone of the financial world. JP Morgan and PayPal have launched their own cryptocurrencies. And cities like El Salvador's Bitcoin City are dedicated entirely to DeFi. You heard that right, an entire city for Bitcoin. And in just a few moments, I'm going to give you the steps to tap into this once-in-a-generation opportunity before it becomes mainstream. But before I do that, let's quickly address the new elephant in the room. So, is DeFi really safe? Well, absolutely. But like any investment, it comes with risks. And the key to navigating those risks is knowledge. For instance, did you know that by using a hardware wallet, you can store your digital assets in a way that's virtually unhackable? It's like having your own personal vault, disconnected from the internet and immune to online attacks. With tools like this, you're not just investing in crypto, you're securing your future in ways that traditional banks cannot match. You basically load up all of your crypto onto hardware that only you have access to. That's just one of the many top-tier forms of protection in the DeFi space. And here's the craziest thing about this industry. Despite what the media says, only 0.2% of the world is involved in DeFi right now. That means the majority of people are still sleeping on this opportunity. The question is, will you? Let's be honest, crypto isn't going anywhere. It's becoming embedded into our financial system. In 2024, we've already seen Bitcoin ETFs approved, massive institutional money flowing into the market, and trillions of dollars worth of real-world assets being tokenized on the blockchain. DeFi is no longer just an option. It's becoming a necessity for those who want to stay ahead. So the billion-dollar question is, are you going to sit and watch? Or get in now with the billionaires before the masses catch on to the massive adoption and explosive growth of crypto and DeFi. If you're ready to take advantage of this shift, we've put together a completely free A to Z guide that covers everything you need to know about DeFi. The strategies, the platforms, the best ways to invest, everything. This isn't just theory. It's the exact blueprint that over 3,000 investors have used to see returns that traditional finance just can't offer. So if you're serious about securing your nest egg for your future, giving you peace of mind that your family's financial future is safe and sound, click the link at the top right corner or head to the top of the description and grab that guide. This could be the key to your financial future. Until next time, my friends, I'll see you on the other side. Cheers.